Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's Dustin Nulf with Keller Williams Realty's the Dustin Nulf team and the Full House LLC Pittsburgh Property Management. How we all doing? So we are on part 4 of the Follow This Flip series, and we're making quite a bit of progress. I'm extremely surprised by how fast my contractor is moving on this project. And when you see photos and video, you will understand. So it has only been 1 week since the progress that we showed in the last video. That was where they were hanging drywall and finishing the rough outs for the electrical and plumbing. And we're going to take a look at it this week, and you will be amazed at how far along we are. We are probably, I would say, 90% done with the project, or pretty close to 90% done. There's still exterior work that needs to be done. The ground is frozen solid right now, so we are not going to be pouring concrete or anything like that at the moment. However, we are up for some nice, we'll call it warm temperatures here in Pittsburgh. This following week looks like in the 50s and 60s. So warm enough to do some exterior work, and I will bet that we will be seeing quite a bit of progress with that stuff here this week. So let's take a look at the numbers real quick. Nothing has really changed since the last video. Besides, me deciding whether or not I want to list it at a higher price. So that might be a good thing for us to take a look at in part 5 is what the market looks like and what our price prediction is going to be for this property. If I can push the market, people who know me may know I'm a bit of a risk taker. So if I can push the market and try to get $200,000 for this place, I will freaking do it. And let's take a look at these numbers. So this is, rule number 1 in investing is don't get greedy. But sometimes it pays to be a little bit greedy. So here's what these numbers look like if I can get a $200,000 net sale price for this property. I mean, check this out. Wouldn't that be fantastic? A $70,000 gross profit right there. That would be fantastic. After taxes, $43,000 net take on the project alone without commissions involved. So, that might end up being our projection. We'll find out. We'll do some analysis and check it out. So maybe part 5 will do an analysis of the current market and why it is I think I can push possibly this high. We're talking 50 grand. We're talking, what, 20% higher? Is it 20% higher? $50,000 higher than the original projection. That's 33% higher than the original estimated sale price. So let's see if we can do that. We'll find out. Anyway, thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe. Share this video if you found it to be beneficial. And shall we take a look at the project? So first pictures you're going to be seeing are the photos of that first floor. Now, in the last video, I told you we took down that extra wall, and by we, I mean our contractor made the decision to just do it. And I'm glad he did, because if you look at that picture, I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there still, but this property looks way more open, way bigger than it did with those walls up. So this is going to be a nice open floor plan. You will notice I did talk with the contractor today about painting the fireplace brick. I don't like that color of fireplace brick. I think it would look much more modern if we just painted it white. So we're going to have it all painted white, like a semi-gloss white. And I think that that's going to make it look much more appealing. So here's a picture of where the kitchen area is going to be. And you can see that they do have flooring laid down to the start of the kitchen here. You see the pendant light hanging down there. That's where the island is going to be located. And then the cabinets and other appliances are going to be all along that back wall there. The sink is going to be centered underneath the window. We were originally talking about taking that window out or possibly making it bigger, And we did not do that. We just left it where it was and figured we'd just put the sink underneath it. Here's what the bathroom's looking like right now. So I'm very happy with how this bathroom turned out. Very nice, large looking bathroom as compared to what it used to look like. I'm kind of amazed at how big it appears right now. So we've got a marble looking tile pretty much encasing nearly the whole bathroom. Goes the whole way up to the ceiling in the shower area, which is awesome. Here's what the upstairs bedrooms look like. Pretty well ready to go. Ready to finish. We are doing carpeting again in these rooms, so we're going to do light fixtures, carpeting. This fireplace in this one bedroom will also be painted white. And I think that's pretty well it. So, you know, take a look. We're going to do a video walkthrough right now so you can kind of see the layout, get a feel for the layout. I'll let you check that out. And that'll be pretty much it to wrap up this video here today. There's not a whole lot to talk about. That's kind of good. I tell my sales team and my property management company, when we have a meeting and the meeting is boring, that's usually a good thing, because that means we haven't had a whole lot of surprises or crazy stuff going on. So when everything goes as planned, that's when you have the nice quick video of the walkthrough and we say, hey, here it is. So this is great. Again, this is Dustin with Keller Williams Realty's, the Dustin Nulf team, the Full House LLC Pittsburgh Property Management. I do appreciate you joining me today. If you liked the video, please share it with friends, anyone who could find this of benefit to them and their business. Please like it. Please subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this. And we'll see you again soon.